Did you
Yeah.
have a favorite course or class when you were studying?
I had a few. A lot of the classes that I really loved were like the eco nutrition. There was a pediatrics course that for me was a big deal because I just, like I
Yep.
said, new mom, right?
Yep.
But also I have two parents who are aging, so there was an aging course that was like aging in a healthy way, that really resonated with me. And then I also really loved learning anything about actual issues. So like again, with aging parents, learning about arthritis or learning about energy and how health and wellness affects energy and the mind. Like any of the courses that incorporated that, I really found
Mhm.
really interesting. Yeah.